Hello friends, welcome back to Pharmabiomed. This is Dr. Neeraja. In this video, we discuss about how we have to write descriptive examinations or theoretical examinations because examination season has been started and most of the undergraduate students and professional students are writing their exam. So we try to see any tips are there or anything has to be followed to memorize the content for longer term. So we don't waste our time, just move on to our video. Let's see. When you are preparing for theory examinations or descriptive examinations, there are few things that can improve your skills or improve your memory or improve your presentation towards your examination that we will see one by one now. So the first one is you have to look into the content for some pivotal words, some signaling words, some phrases will be there which are unknown to you or which are very important content will be there. So those things we have to capture and you have to memorize. So whatever the entire phenomenon is there, that will surround only towards that word. So capture the words which are very important and which can define the entire concept of your question. So that is the first point. Then second point is scanning. So when you open the subject, when you open the chapter, you are scanning. Scanning means what? There may be small objects, small diagrams, small flowcharts will be there. Some of the tips will be or some of the content will be enclosed in some boxes. So all those you are just scanning and you are fixing in the brain. So if you are connecting all those images again, you can write some theory or some answer to your question. So the next thing is you have to scan. So coming to the third one, skimming is another technique. What is skimming? Skimming means you have a data that is of some 10 pages or 15 pages question is there, answer is there, some 10-15 pages answer is there. So from that what you have to do, you have to brief large amount of data, you have to brief and you have to make it into one single paragraph. So make it into one single paragraph with the bullet points. All the bullet points should be there and you are going to remember only those bullet points. So based on the length of the question or the marks which were assigned to that question, either you can extend it in your words or you can write in a brief way. So skimming is the other technique that may improve your presentation or your reading efficiency. And some of the psychologists have proved that whenever you are reading a textbook or whenever you are reading a notes, try to highlight with a highlighter. Or if highlighter is not there with you, at least use your finger. You just roll on your finger onto the content and you try to read. That will be memorized for longer time. It will be there in your long-term memory. That is one more interesting fact most of the psychologists will say. And always try to make yourself discuss in groups, share with your friends. Some content is there, some theory is there, you learnt, so you try to explain to your friends which are very close to you. You make some group, study group you make and you discuss among with your friends so that your memory will be improved. And one more tip is making a concept map. What is this concept map? This is very interesting. So you have a question and you read the answer. So in the answer you are going to have the center point. One center point will be there. So all other ones are linking to that center point. Make an image of that, either in the mind, if it is possible, if you are writing on a small slip of paper, in the center make a main heading and in all the directions whatever the content, the subheadings you have to write, you just use your creativity and you make a mind map, that is called concept map. So that will be there in your brain, that you are imagining, or simply you can present on a paper so that it also will be memorized for long time. Now, here I'll tell you one more tip, that is called root method. So what is this root method? It is also called loci method. You have a question and you have read the answer. Of course, you have even created the concept map based on your creativity and your skill. Then you are going to connect all the sub points, whatever are there, with the known objects that are present in your home. For example, you just connect all those with some of the objects that are present in your home. Something will be there in the TV is there in the living room, so you connect to TV. Some point you are connecting with the TV. Then in the dining table region you are connecting one more point. You make a connecting map, or you have some route from college to your home. Some route is there. Some points, some bus stops are there. You just connect with some bus stops. All those small points, and that type of memory will be long lasting and it will be memorized forever. When you are presenting the things, these will be very useful. And one more very important tip is you have to read out. Always you have to read loud. Why I am telling this is my personal experience also. Even I feel that when I am reading loud or when I am presenting out, I will memorize the content for longer time. So why it is means when you are pronouncing the word will be very distinct. So when you are trying to pronounce that word will be automatically stored in your long term memory, not in short term memory, so that you can memorize those things for the longer time. So try to read or try to present orally. Louder you present without disturbing the others. Don't mind you have to disturb the others. Without disturbing, you can do this. These are few things which I found very useful to you. And above all, the most important thing is whatever you are reading, whatever, either it is in small quantity or it is a huge quantity, whatever you are trying to read, the first thing is concentration. You have to make yourself concentrated and you have to streamline your thoughts, and you have to read with a lot of concentration. And after reading, the one and only technique we have is you have to recite. Recite means whatever you read, you are just presenting outside, reciting, that is called reciting. And other one is revision. You are going to revise. Recite and revise. These are the techniques for making or remembering the things for long term, and you can present in your examination properly so that you can score good marks in your examinations. Hope this content you liked. If you like, please subscribe, share and pass it to many more. Thank you one and all. Let's meet on our next video.